A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. In today's tutorial I'd just like to show you this very pretty and lovely pattern stitch. It's great for blankets and it's really good for shawls, but you can use it for whatever crochet project you want to work on. It's a 2-row repeat pattern, whereby we just go cast on our chain, and then we work a foundation row of single crochet, and then we work the first pattern row and the second pattern row, and you just repeat the first pattern row, second pattern row for as many times as you want for the length of your project. You need to have a number of chain divisible by 6 plus 2 extra. So I'll just start off by making my slip knot, and to show you the pattern I'm just going to be making a chain of 18 and then 2 extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got my chain divisible by 6, and I'm going to chain 2 extra. So 1, 2. We're not going to be using the first chain, it's just the turning chain into the second chain from the hook. So first, second, we're just going to work a single crochet, and this is just the foundation row. So we just work single crochet into each chain till the end. And I'm using a 6mm crochet hook with some worsted yarn just for the tutorial, but you can, depending on the ply of yarn, you can just use the corresponding crochet hook size. So we just work the single crochet across into each chain. Once we've finished making this, crocheting the single crochet into each chain, I'm just going to count my stitches. Because I made a chain of 20, so I'm going to have 1 stitch less than 20, so I'm going to have 19 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now we're just going to start with the first pattern row. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to be missing this first single crochet because the 2 chain stands as the turning chain. Then I'm going to be missing the next single crochet and the next single crochet, and it'll be 1, 2, 3 into the 4th single crochet. I'm going to be working 3 double crochet. And then I'm going to chain 1, 2, and into the same place as these 3 double crochet that I've just made, I'm going to be working another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So that's the first pattern stitch. Then I'm going to miss 1, 2 single crochet and just work a double crochet into the next stitch. And I'm going to miss 1, 2 single crochet, and I'm going to work 3 double crochet into that stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to chain 1, 2, and into the same place as these 3 double crochet, I'm going to work another 3 double crochet. So 2 and 3, and then I'm going to miss 1, 2 stitches, and into the next stitch I'm going to work a double crochet. And then we just miss 1, 2 stitches into the next stitch. We just work the same as this shell here. So it's 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, and then another 3 double crochet into the same place. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 stitches left. We're going to miss 1, 2 stitches, and into the last stitch just work a double crochet. And that's the first pattern row. For the second pattern row we chain 1, 2, and we have this 2 chain space here between the 2 lots of 3 double crochet. We're just going to work into the 2 chain space. We're going to work 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2, and then work another 1, 2, 3 double crochet. So we have the shell here and then the shell on top of that in the 2 chain space. We're going to go to the double crochet we made here, and we're going to do a front post double crochet, and then we're going to work exactly the same sequence into the next 2 chain space. So we're going to work 1, 2, 3 double crochet, then 1, 2 chain, and another 1, 2, 3 double crochet. And around the double crochet here we're going to work a front post double crochet, and then we just repeat the same sequence into the 2 chain space. One, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then we come to our turning chain from the previous round, the 2 chain. What we're going to do is just work a double crochet. We're just going to work underneath the 2 chain, the double crochet, like so. And we have our first pattern row and our second pattern row. You just work your foundation row and then your first pattern row, second pattern row, and repeat until you've got the desired length of your project. And it is a reversible pattern. So this is what it looks like on this side, and it looks like that on the other side. You have the little ridges here, almost like a V kind of little ridge. It's a pretty beginner-friendly pattern, and you can, as long as you make a chain divisible by 6 plus your 2 extra chain, and you can just make for whatever project you want to use it for. And I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and until next time, enjoy crocheting.